Today's car engines produce pressures of up to 10 tons per square centimetre. Like 5 cars resting on a stiletto heel. The only protection, a thin layer of oil. With increased demand for car performance, engines are being downsized and turbocharged. With these design breakthroughs, the pressures in today's engines have almost doubled in the last 3 decades. More pressure means more stress for the oil and more friction. More metal-to-metal contact can increase wear and reduce efficiency. With engines under such pressures, we need an oil that is proven strong for peak performance. A new oil technology from Castrol, titanium fluid strength technology, doubles the strength of Castrol Edge, keeping strong for longer and reducing friction by up to 15%. Titanium, named after the Titans, immortal giants of superhuman strength. Our strongest oil, Castrol Edge, is titanium strong.